Hey guys, it is Monday, April the 27th. I hope you had a awesome weekend and ready to get back to our work week. So you guys have been doing a great job with your writing. I know that you're probably hopefully ready to like show it off and upload it on Seesaw, but we just have to keep working on a couple more things before we're finished. So you're doing a great job on going back and always working on your writing, just like we do in class. When we work on it for just like a day or two, you know, guys, we're never done. We can always go back and add more. So today, I hope you have your pieces of paper or your free write journal that you've been keeping your writing in. And just to kind of review what we've been doing, we are writing to make the world a better place, but we are kind of focusing on our school. We as writers want to first see the problem. We can be able to look at it and find it, and then think about why it is a problem. How is it making the hallways unsafe? How is it making the cafeteria unsafe? Or how is it making the playground unsafe? I'm just giving lots of reasons why we think it's a problem and why it should be changed. So we have been working on writing not just a little on our pages, but adding a lot, adding our words and adding our pictures to match, okay? And then last week, we ended off with making sure that we are including lots of important information in our paper, guys. So we talked about Elizabeth. Remember, this is not our friend Elizabeth. This was another friend in another school that I worked with. And she wrote her letter to Mr. Peter, her teacher, and was talking about how there's everything on the floor. She also wrote and told about a cool story to kind of give a lot of important information to her teacher, that one day the block center made a big mess. She used 3 awesome words to describe the mess. It was a big mess. And that all the centers even had to help clean up. And then she also gave a really good point right here that we're going to talk about later. She gave a really cool idea of maybe what they could do to fix it. What they could do to maybe the next time, instead of creating such a big mess, that she gave a idea of how they could make it better. And this idea that Elizabeth had is called a fix it idea. As writers want to make the world a better place, we have to remember, see a problem, give reasons why it's a problem, give lots of information, and write a lot. But we also just don't want to leave our audience with the problem and have them fix it. We want to give them a fix it idea. So you could start your sentence off in saying, maybe we can, or we should. Kind of like how our friend Elizabeth, I'm going back to her paper, my friends, and say, instead of taking out such a big tray of blocks because the teacher almost left, that maybe they could only get a couple of centers out next time, that they wouldn't have to take out so much stuff. Well, another one of my friends had another fix-it idea, and I even put a little star beside their writing to kind of help us really focus on their fix-it idea. So their paper starts off by saying, "Dear park and people, please don't litter in the park, so let's pick them up and put them in the garbage." So she didn't just talk about the problem, she gave it a fix-it idea of the trash is on the ground and in the park and making everything messy, but let's pick it up and put it in the garbage. So for your writing activity today, my friends, I want you to keep building on your writing. You should have your problem. You should have your reasons of why it's a problem. Give us why it's unsafe, why it is wrong, why it's not good to have that problem in school, how it's maybe affecting you or another friend that you have, and include lots of information like our friend Elizabeth, and what the problem looked like. Maybe tell us a little story about when you saw the problem. And then, my friends, give us a fix it idea. Tell us about how you would fix the problem. If the playground is unsafe outside, should maybe, if people are not following the rules, should they maybe take a couple minutes to sit and relax? So there may be not be so many people on the playground, and then they can go play. Or maybe if friends are not following directions in the bathroom, should they maybe help clean the bathroom if they are making it dirty, to kind of help the bathroom stay clean? Or if a tub is being just messy, messy, messy in the classroom, maybe those friends cannot maybe take out so many toys all at one time so it's not making a big mess. Or maybe they can clean up first if they have too much of a mess, so the classmates and the teacher maybe don't have to hurry them so quickly. So make sure you're adding a fix-it idea for your problem. And if you have two fix-it ideas, that is great. Give different options so that way people know different ways that they can make it better. So continue to add this to your writing today, and we'll work on this probably today and tomorrow, guys. So I can't wait to see your writing later. Have fun.